Hello everyone, welcome back to iPhoneTopics.com YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix backup issues with iTunes. Here's are some of the common error messages that occurred during a backup. First, restart your Mac. Go to Apple menu, select restart, and you can click restart. After restarting your Mac, to restart your phone, press on power button and volume button and slide to power off. Number 2, make sure you have connected your iPhone with your PC or Mac using a cable. The third one, if you have installed any antivirus program in your PC or Mac, disable until you're backupping your file. Fourth one, you have to delete the previous backups. To do so, go to iTunes, click on preferences and select the device, and you have backup here. So delete all the backups and click on delete, then press OK. So the backup will be deleted. Next, install in latest version of iTunes. That you have to check whether you have installed the latest version. For that, tap on iTunes and click about iTunes. So here you have data about iTunes, so you can check whether you have the latest version of iTunes. The next thing, for knowing about the storage, tap on Apple menu and select about this Mac and tap on storage. Here the capacity, the availability of your storage will be shown here. These are the possible solutions for backupping your iPhone with the iTunes. If one is not working, you can go to the another solution and you can have the process. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting, like, share and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com. Thank you.